Good morning, guys. Welcome to Perth. So, as I said in my last video, I was going to go to Canberra, go for a hike. Clearly, this isn't Canberra.
You don't say. You don't say.
Who was it?
He didn't say.
This is Perth. Quite the opposite. But I decided when I got to Canberra, well, it was raining. Not the most pleasant time, so yeah, so wait till now to do this video. I've got 20 days left. Only 20 days until I go to Annapurna base camp. Very excited.
I'm very excited. I'm very excited.
But again, not much training has been done. Just flying a lot, working a lot, and oh, chopper. Anyway guys, why am I in Perth? Besides the fact that, well, I'm here for work. I flew here last night. I actually haven't done the reveal of the drone name. So that drone I've been flying has been nameless. Well, actually in my head it has been named. I've already picked the name for it. Out of the list that everyone sent to me, of all the suggestions, I have chosen one name. And that name will be revealed in a moment. First, the reason why it's taken me so long to reveal this name, well, this is the third drone I've gotten since I asked for you to name the drone. The first one had mechanical issues with the gimbal, had to take it back, JB Hi-Fi replaced the whole thing. Second one had issues with the battery which wouldn't even turn on. I take that back, get the whole thing replaced. On the third one, it's done quite a few flights and it seems to be performing quite well. So that's why I'm making this video now, and I apologise not for earlier, to reveal the name of this drone. I'm down near the Optus stadium. I'm thinking, well, I know I can fly near there, so maybe I'll reveal the drone name in the middle of the Optus stadium field. Are you ready? Congratulations, the drone is now called That's right, it's now called Goose. So thanks so much, Ange. Your name won. What do you win? The privilege of calling my drone Goose.
No. There's two O's in Goose, boy.
So, that was just a quick update video. I'm going to be a little bit busy next couple of weeks. Haven't really uploaded that often, just been working a lot, so I apologise for that. I will be, as I said, in about 20 days heading to Annapurna base camp. So going to Nepal, I'm also going to Malaysia, and I'm doing Bali. So come with me for about 2 or maybe 14, 15 days doing that. So I'm going to be vlogging every single day for that one. It's going to be awesome, awesome time. Doing that one by myself. The next 20 days I am going to be busy. I'm moving house next week, so got all that stuff to deal with. I've got quite a few more duties to do here at work before I head over to Nepal. So until next time, thanks so much for watching. And once again, Goose is the drone. I might get a little, I don't know, sticker made up, put on the actual drone. But until then, thanks so much for watching, and have a great day here from sunny Perth.